In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Veo 3 by Google. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to refine your skills, I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to open Gemini. This is where everything begins. If you're not familiar with Gemini, it's essentially your workspace for creating and managing your projects. Once you have Gemini open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, let's create a new chat. This is your blank slate, your starting point for whatever you want to create. In the chat, you're able to interact with your tools and start laying out the foundation for your video project. It's simple, but crucial to the process. Next, direct your attention to the chat box where you'll find the Tools menu. Click on this menu to reveal a host of options. This is where you'll find the tools you need to bring your vision to life. Make sure you explore the menu fully because having a good grasp of what's available can really benefit you down the line. From the Tools menu, select Create Videos with Veo. This is where the magic starts to happen. Once you select this option, you're effectively opening the door to a world of creative possibilities. Veo 3 is an advanced tool by Google that allows you to generate high-quality videos with minimal effort. So this is an exciting step. After you've set up to create with Veo, it's time to describe your scene. Think about what you're looking to create and be as detailed as possible, including visual styles, themes, and elements that are key to your project. This is your moment to let your creativity flow and outline the vision you want the video to capture. The more details you provide, the better Veo can bring your concept to life. Once you've described your scene and added all the necessary details, you will need to wait for Gemini to complete your request. This is an automated process where the system takes everything you've inputted and crafts it into a video. The wait shouldn't be too extensive, but it's important to let the platform do its job without interruption. During this time, you can take a breather or start planning your next steps for the project. And there you have it. That's the straightforward process of using Veo 3 by Google. With these steps, you're now able to create dynamic and engaging videos right from your computer. Keep experimenting with different ideas and styles, and you'll surely find that the possibilities are endless with Veo. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in kickstarting your creative projects.